How to turn off Reddit notifications. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to turn them off in a few simple steps. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and tap on your profile icon. Now tap the three-line menu and select Settings. This will take you to all your accounts and app preferences. Next, go into Account Settings, then scroll and tap on Manage Notifications. Here, you'll see all notification categories, like posts, comments, replies, chat messages, and trending updates. If you want to control chat notifications, tap on it. Then tap on Inbox, where you can manage message-related alerts separately. It will show the notification when you open the Reddit app. Now scroll down through the list and find Mod Notifications. Tap on it, and a menu will appear. From there, select Turn Off All to completely disable them. Once you've done this, Reddit will stop sending unnecessary alerts, and your phone will stay much cleaner and distraction-free. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Reddit notifications in just a few taps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Reddit tips and tutorials.